everybody. Hello, my good students. Good morning. It's a great time to have you on my channel on English reading course number 1. Today we have lesson 17. Before we begin with lesson 17, I have two pieces of advice which I'd like to give to you today. My first advice is related to health, is related to precautions. That means there are certain measures you should take in order to keep yourselves healthy, happy, and comfortable. This advice and this matter is very important. It's of extreme importance to everybody, whether you are a student or any one in our society, any citizen. Your health is very important. If you take care of your health, if you are healthy, strong, you can, of course, like this proverb, a sound mind and a sound body. That if your body is sound, is healthy, your mind is sound and healthy as well. And when you are healthy, you can, of course, be a successful person, a successful student, a successful worker, dentist, doctor, engineer, driver, any other profession you can do when you are healthy. My second piece of advice is related to academic affairs. If you, focus on your academic affairs, your studies, that means you can, of course, dedicate a lot of time to your studies. Study right from now. Don't waste your time. Don't delay your homeworks. Don't delay studying your lessons, reading lessons, writing lessons, any other lesson. Don't, of course, wait to the last minute to do your homework or exercise. So we have exercises, both bodily exercises and, of course, academic exercises. And as a result, you can be a very good person in matters of health and, of course, education. Now, let's begin reading this. We have here this passage is discussing vitamins, the kinds of vitamins, the importance of vitamins, the importance of vitamins to body, to health. They are, supporting your health and, of course, defending you against diseases. Each vitamin is, of course, responsible for defeating a kind of disease, especially now when we have corona. With corona, you must concentrate on vitamin taking. You take vitamins either as a tablets from pharmacy or as food, fruit, vegetables, meat, fat, any other source of a vitamin. You must concentrate. You must, of course, be interested and, of course, like to take these. This is for your safety and for your health. Vitamins are complex compounds that the body requires, the body needs to function normally. The word vitamin was coined in this century, that was in the 20th century, we can say last century, but the therapeutic value of certain foods in combating and fighting or defeating disease was recognized, was known, was noticed as early as 3,000 years ago by the ancient Egyptians. They knew that night blindness could be circumvented, could be defeated, could be prevented by eating liver, or liver, which is a source of vitamin A. In 1700s, an Australian doctor discovered that eating citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and so on sufficed, is enough to cure scurvy. Scurvy, which is a disease that affects blood. In 1795, the British Navy began to give sailors lemon juice to prevent scurvy. The term limey for an Englishman grew out of this use of lemon juice, to humble lemon or lime, which was given to English sailors. The Japanese Navy learned that too much polished rice in the diet causes beriberi, which is a painful nerve disease, and that eating meat, vegetables, and so on, which contain thiamine, prevent the disease. All right. In the early 1900s, as the causes of the increasing number of diseases were identified, were known, were discovered, as vitamin deficiencies, as vitamin shortages, vitamins were labeled with the letters of the alphabet. Researchers discovered more than 26 vitamins, which are now referred to by both letter and chemical names. For example, the vitamin B complex includes 12 vitamins. We have subsidiary vitamins inside vitamin B. That means vitamin B contains 12 branches, 12 kinds: vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10, B11, and B12. Right. Now we have come to the end of this paragraph or passage, which is about vitamin. If you can read it twice at least to make sure that you understand everything. And when you have any difficulties, please tell me, let me know. If you can read it quickly as the first reading. A second reading can be more slowly, and the third reading would be the decisive reading. You can learn everything. Now we have two sources or two kinds of exercises. The first one is related to detailed comprehension. The second exercise is related to vocabulary work, that is synonym. Number one, we have here choose the best alternative, the best choice for or answer the questions with a few words. All right. Number one, true or false? Vitamin deficiencies first developed in the 20th century. Right, of course. Yes, we have here. We have in the 12th century. Right, that's causes were identified as vitamin deficiencies. That's right. True. Number two, if you were planning to cross the ocean in your own boat, what would you take with you to prevent beriberi? Yes, we have here beriberi. We have, of course, you can prevent beriberi by eating what? Eating meat and vegetables which contain thiamine. Thiamine can prevent beriberi. All right. Now, number three. What is a limey? Limey is related to lime, and the limey is referred to the English sailor. Why? Because English sailors were given, lime juice, and this is, of course, essential in preventing the disease. Number four. Name a food other than liver that will prevent night blindness because it contains vitamin A. We have here liver. We can have meat. It contains vitamin A. We can have carrot. Carrot can, of course, contains vitamin A. So blindness can be prevented by eating carrot. We say that carrot makes sight stronger. Number five, true or false? Some diseases are caused by vitamin deficiencies. True or false? Yes, that's true. We know that from the passage. We know that we have beriberi, we have scurvy, we have night blindness, we have many diseases which could be, of course, prevented by using or by taking vitamins. And vitamins are responsible for, vitamin shortages are responsible for, this kind of disease. Now we turn to the second exercise, which is related to vocabulary. Yes, B, vocabulary work. Put the number of the definition in column B beside the correct word in column A. We have column A and B. Column A, we have complex, therapeutic, we have combat, circumvent, citrus, humble, diet, coin, deficiency, and label. Column B, we have here insignificant. We have number two, fight. Number three, shortage. Number four, complicated. Number five, genus of tree or shrub. Number five, invent. Number seven, check or escape. Number eight, here we have habitual nourishment. Number 9, we have describe. Number 10, we have relating to disease, a treatment. That's fine. Now, let's begin with number 1. Complex. What is complex? Complex is, we have here, number 4, complicated. معقد. Number B, therapeutic. Therapeutic is related to therapy. Therapy means a treatment. So we have therapeutic number 10, relating to disease, a treatment. Number C, combat. Combat means fight, and we have here, yes, we have here circumvent. What is circumvent? Yes, we have here a check or escape. That's right. Or fight. Both are correct. Circumvent means, check or escape. Citrus, number 5, genus of a tree or a shrub. Number 5, humble means not important. Number 1, insignificant, not important, unimportant. Diet, which is food, is here. Number 8, habitual nourishment, that is food. Number here, deficiency, it is related to number 3, shortage. Coin, it is synonym to invent. Coin, invent. All right. Coin, we have deficiency, means shortage. Yes. Finally, label means describe. Number 9, describe. That's right. I deliberately choose to take you step by step to make you understand the lesson. However, if you have any questions, please let me know. This is the end of reading 2, which was, about vitamin and the vitamin deficiencies or shortages, which are responsible for causing certain kinds of diseases. Now, if you have any questions, as I have said, please let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Now, this is the end. Thank you for joining me, and goodbye. See you, meet you next lecture. Bye bye.